Hey guys, what's going on? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and today is Thursday, the last Thursday, I believe, of March. My stuff is pretty much packed, and I will be leaving. My car will be officially all the way packed tonight, and I will be heading back to Arizona tomorrow right after work. I'm getting the hell out of here. Anyways, with that being said, I have some stuff I have to do for a haul real quick, and it's been sitting here waiting for me to do it. Sorry, it's about 7 o'clock in the morning. Um, yeah, I was super sick yesterday, so the doctor up here gave me a shot of penicillin, so I am feeling better, but I've been up since 2. So I'm getting ready to leave for work, but I was like, let me just get this haul done really quick. So, oh, did I already pack it? Hold on one second. Let me see if it's in here. I want to show you guys something. Is it right here? Hold on. So, oh, it might be in another bin. What else did I pack? Hold on one second. It might be in this pink thing. So, you guys, like, me being excited to go home, it's like, oh, let me just tell you. So, it's a Dollar Tree haul, but let me show you. So, these are the, like, fanny pack things. What are they calling them? Belt bags from Dollar Tree. Sorry, I'm very discombobulated. And they're just by Juncture, and they're the belt bag. And, you know, they're pretty good. Like, they have, like, the faux leather or whatever on the inside. So they're pretty thick, right? I got more because this is what I ended up doing to mine. So I'm not very good, I know, at, like, embroidering or anything yet. But for work, it is so helpful to have something that I can put everything in. Like I need an O2 monitor. Sometimes I need a blood pressure cuff. I need my snacks, and sometimes our scrub pants have a lot of pockets. Sometimes they don't. And so I figured I would use this. And so obviously A for Amy. And then this is from the Dollar Tree, just the little patch. And I just used a stencil. I think I got it from Hobby Lobby or whatever a while ago, and drew the A on. And then if you look up close, it's horrible stitching, but I just put the A. And I first put on the Dollar Tree interfacing or whatever back here because it was kind of thin, and I didn't want it because the leather to like break through. So I just ironed that on, and then put my A on, and then I just put the patch. And so I might do some other stuff to it, I don't know, but I just think it's so cute. And so I did that with the belt bags from the Dollar Tree. And actually everything you could get from because the interfacing is from the Dollar Tree, you could get the A stencil. I just happen to have it from the Dollar Tree, and this is from the Dollar Tree. It comes with the other patch that says "Have a nice day." So it was all from the Dollar Tree. So I got those 2 blue ones because I feel like my friends are going to really want some when they see my neat thing, right? So I'm going to have to keep reaching. I'm sorry. So my kids don't like clutter, and I'm really getting out of clutter also. But my grandson, even though he's only 5 months old, I've told you guys that I'm getting him a couple things, like some teethers and some snacks and stuff. But to be honest, like, it would be super cute to get him a bunny Easter basket, but for what, right? Like, it's just going to end up being clutter. He's going to get one every year. But he does have a lot of stuffed animals, and so I'm going to use this giant storage hammock from the Dollar Tree for his basket. So I'm going to lay it out, and then... I'm sorry, I'm trying to let you see it. So it's like a triangle, right? So I'm going to lay it out. I'm going to put one of the baby blankets. I got him in there to kind of stop anything from falling through the mesh. And then I'm going to pull the 3 sides up and like tie them to like we got him like a chicken musical thing that sits up. It's like this tall. So I'm going to tie the 3 edges to it. I'll show you guys a picture when I'm done. But then when he's done, she can use this and put it in his room for all of his stuffed animals. And I was like, oh my gosh, like I literally had left the Dollar Tree and then thought about it, and I went right back in. I was like, I need to get this. So yeah, I just picked it up. I think it's going to be super cute, and he needs it. So it's $1.25, but if you think of every single holiday that you waste $1.25 on a basket or a stocking or something else, and then they throw it away and you have to buy another one next year. I only have 1 grandson. Some people have 10, 15 grandkids. I'm not, like, I might have to get him something again next year. I mean, I will, but it's going to be something he needs, not just my one. Like, I might as well throw my $1.25 in the trash myself, right? So I just got that because I know he needs it. And then I did just pick up 2 of these. They are the canvas bags from the Dollar Tree. Somewhere, which I'm not sure. Oh, here it is. So I've said a million times, I've from Temu, I hauled like royal blue nails, a volleyball headband, volleyball earrings. So I picked this up at the Dollar Tree, and it's just the one-piece sticker. So I'm gonna dye this royal blue, and then I'm gonna put this onto a white backing, and then I'm just gonna put it on here so that it will be like a royal blue volleyball little purse for me, because I'm gonna need little things while I'm in there. So I thought, yes. So that's what I got those for, and it was hard to find those, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. I found this, and this is by Made with Ocean Plastic. It's Ocean by CWC, upcycling to save our planet. It's an omelet maker for the microwave. So it says mix 2 to 3 eggs and place in one side of omelet maker. Close lid and cook for 75 to 90 seconds. When finished, flip cooker over and cook for additional 15 to 30 seconds. And then it says time based on 1200 watt microwave, if desired, as cheese, vegetables, or cooked meat before cooking. This egg poacher used up to 4 plastic bottles from the ocean. I love this, and you know, I thought of Kat from Kat's Living Large, because she's always taking different egg things to work in the morning. I think she gets like the egg scramblers or something and then puts the egg in them, and I just thought, like, oh my gosh, like you could take this and then just keep like the egg or whatever at work and just make one. Like, I don't know, I just really like this. I think truly I'll probably make an omelet a lot more with this, because I'm just that lazy. Like, and I can't get it to stay together. But anyways, so I also picked these up, the stain remover wipes. And I just watched Donna from Donna's DIY, Donna's Hauls and DIYs or something, Donna's DIYs and Hauls. And she also got these. And this is Lift Stains on the Go, 12 individually wrapped wipes. So I got these for 2 reasons. One, because when we go on vacation quite often, and like we're gonna be going very soon with my grandson now, and you know, they always get like the stains on their shirts and stuff, but nobody's trying to do laundry on vacation. So I figured we could just take these, and then if he gets something on it, we can put that on there and then stick his clothes into the laundry bag and not have to worry about it when we get home. And also, because I never know what I get on my clothes at work, okay? These will probably go in my little backpack or in my little fanny pack thing, like a couple of them, because I don't know what gets. I keep a change of clothes in the back of my car for just in case. So I just think these are super cool, because take them on vacation, do whatever you want. You don't, like, once it's, you just put it on and it won't set. Like, what if you're on vacation for 5 days? You don't want that to set in your clothes. There you go. So I got the stain remover wipes. Oh, I think I'm hitting you guys. I did just pick up another one of these, the Sassy and Chic makeup sponge with case. I only picked it up because I needed a new makeup sponge. I don't usually keep the case. I know that this has the circles in the bottom, but the fact that it's so enclosed around there grosses me out. I do not keep it in here because I feel like it just gets gross and moldy. So I do not keep it in there. But I got it for the makeup sponge. There's another, oh, here we go. Oh, I'm back. You guys, look. Oh, there was another one too, I thought. So I found the faux nails Pretty Woman there, and it does say $5 on it. Did I pay? I didn't pay $5. That wasn't even no, it was in the regular section. So they don't have the plus stores up here. So yeah, so if you can see over here are the little diamonds and stuff. I will obviously cut them way down because, yeah, but like I said, I pick them up a lot because I like to change out my nails every week, because they, again, if I don't know what's getting on my clothes, I sure as hell don't know what's getting under my nails. So, and then these are by Helio's Nail System Gel Effect 24 nails. Look at how gorgeous they are. Again, these ones I'll cut off because I like them to be more square. And then you can put your finger under here and measure them. I like my nails to be square because I don't even wear like my wedding ring to work, because my patient's skin is so sensitive. I'm always afraid of like scraping them. So I will definitely like square those out like these ones so that I don't take any chance of cutting into my patient. And then I found this foaming garbage disposal cleaner, deep cleans, disposer, and drain pipe bleach alternative. And it has 2 of them in there, and it says clean citrus. I actually, like, once a month or something, throw a lemon down my garbage disposal so that it will smell better. And so this, like, oh, if it's really going to clean it and not just make it smell fresher. So I picked up those. Again, there's 2, and they are by Rejoice International Corp. These I definitely would have picked more up if I wasn't traveling. So, oh, let me show you guys what I got. I got this novelty, ooh, it's a little squished in my box, novelty light projector. They had a lot of them, but I like this one with the little spaceships and stuff. So this will go in my grandson's Easter basket, and he has his own room, and so it's going to have little spaceships and stuff, and it's 2.9 inches by 2.9 by 4.5. And yeah, it's just a little night light for him. There we go. Just this simple little thing, super cute, I think. And then you just turn, you know, I bought the batteries for it. It's AAA's, but super cute. So that'll go in his Easter basket. Oh, so the cord, my phone is charging right now, and the cord is like in this bucket for some reason. And I'm trying not to hit the cord so you guys don't move. I just picked this up, the makeup mesh bag. In all my years, I've realized I don't have a makeup bag. I always just throw it into something, and I'm like, what? Like, I would never keep my makeup bag in this at home just because I like to keep it out. So I'm a very visual person. I like to see everything laid out so that I can see what I'm doing. I don't like to have to dig through something. And so at home, I keep everything separate. I keep my eyeshadows separate. I keep everything separate so that I don't have to like dig through it to find something. But obviously on my vacations, I need something. So I just got this mesh makeup bag. Again, the mesh because yeah, I don't want anything to spill in it and get nasty. Then I picked this up. So if some of you saw, I turned 43 last weekend, and whew, like, yeah, I got some stuff going on right here I don't like, and right here. So this is the Essentially Ageless Collagen Night Moisturizer with niacinamide and hydrochloric acid. That's probably not it. I don't know. And it's 1.5 ounces. I need to start. I live in Arizona. It's super hot. I don't really use a whole lot on my face, and I need to. I need to start making sure I moisturize all the time so that this aging doesn't go any faster. Yeah, I'm having a hard time. But then I picked up some books. There's no rhyme or reason, let me tell you, to what I have. It says, Here We Are, Your Life on Earth, a record book for new humans by Olivia Jeffrey. I don't know. I don't know what the price tag is, but this is going to also go into my grandson's bag. And so you just, yeah, it says, Your people, here are some of the people who love you. And you can put like the pictures there or their names, and it says your friends. Here's a photo of you and your friends. Like, your first friends were named. Like, it is the cutest book. And then here it says Seeing the Planets. Here's a photo of you exploring. Oh, and Lynn, yeah. So I picked it up in there. I'll have to do it later. But so this is an envelope that really opens. Yeah. So it opens and you can put stuff in there. So it has its own flaps. And here's another one. Your special things, and then you put them in here. I mean, it has its own flaps and everything for $125. This is going to be amazing in my grandson's basket. And then I did pick this up, Country Woman Celebrations, Delicious Recipes, Heartwarming Stories, Holiday Decor, and Fun Crafts. I love holidays, I love baking, I love learning new recipes, and again, I'm a visual person, so I don't do good with reading them online. And this is not just like baking, it's just cooking, packaging ideas. So it gives you like different ideas to package stuff. It tells you like how to make like a little sachet. So it just has so many good things. 30 delightful crafts, 45 hearty and delicious recipes, and 20 inspiring stories. I love it. And it's by Country Woman. So I got that. Hold on. I did just pick up 2 packages of the 2 large essentials storage bags. I picked these up because I realized like instead of big bins, I needed like little things like this to cram in between like my big bins. So I had picked these up, and then I ended up just ordering a box of 20 off of Amazon. So I'll use these though for whatever. I promise I'm coming back, guys. Give me a second. I'm trying to gather it up so I don't have to keep coming down here. Give me a second. Oh, hold on. I'm almost done, I promise. Oh, see? That's what I tried not to touch. Oh, don't move. I think you guys might have moved. Anyways, so actually I know something is missing because I know, oh crap. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, I'll get that in a minute. Anyways, let's keep going. So I did just pick this up, blue and white, the headband for my head, because when I get all these grays, they come in way too fast, like faster than I can go to the hairdresser. So if you guys see me wearing headbands, it usually means it's time to go to the hairdresser. But I get them in different colors so that they match my outfits. I did just pick up the coloring cups, and that's why I know I'm missing a bag, because my boys who are 18, 22, and 24 were like, hey, are we still coloring eggs? Which I love, and it has my heart. So we're still gonna do eggs. So I just got these simple ones, and then I picked up 2 other ones from the Dollar Tree while I was here, because I am getting back the day before Easter, and I don't know what's gonna be available. So I just picked those up for us. Here's another one of the Junction fanny pack things that I got. Sorry, I have a mess here. And then if you guys watched, at one point I was trying to put together a little, like, kind of activity thing for my nephew, because we're going to Dallas for my niece's 4-day volleyball tournament, and he wants nothing to do with it. Like, he's like 10, and he sits there for hours being so good all day long, usually looking at his phone, or it only can go for so long. So I'm putting him together a little activity thing, and I was bringing him crayons and stuff, but then I found this, and I figured, like, so it's a multicolored pencil or whatever, and it has all the different colors there, and they're gummy bears. So I was like, oh, I'll get him this, so cute. So anyways, guys, I think that's all of it. There's more, but I'll have to find it later, because yeah. Anyways, I hope that you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for supporting me. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.